Wondershare Filmora for noobs.
Have you ever thought if you could create your own custom symbol colors like these? Well, not downloading them anywhere else, but creating them with your own custom colors that you'd like to use for your own project and your own purposes. Well, in this short tutorial, let me show you how to do it step by step. Right from your toolbar, select the shape option right there, and then straight on to your preview screen, draw a rectangle shape like this. On the shape properties right there, increase the size a little bit, maybe just to make sure that it covers a full frame. Reduce the corner radius to 0.0 and disable the border. Right here on the colors here, change the color field to gradient, and now you can put the colors that you want. After I've done that, this is what I have. But now as you can see, this is a 2-color gradient. But how can you do a 4-color gradient? Well, before anything else, duplicate this in your timeline, and then on that one, and then you can add more colors on the second one. And now as you can see right here, my first shape has got these 2 colors, and the other one has got these 2 colors. Now go to your Files, Project Settings, and then adjust the project quality to maximum. Come back right here, and on the first shape, take a screenshot, repeat on the second one, and this means you now have 2 gradient pictures. Now drag those 2 down in your timeline. On the image below, under the Transform tab, go to the mask, choose the linear shape, make it horizontal. Once that is done, increase the blur strength to something like 20. Repeat the same procedure on the above trick image, and this time around, increase the blur strength to something like 60 to 65. Once you are done, you can see this is now the image that you have, a 4-color gradient image. You can just take a screen capture, and there we have it. If you like the trick, subscribe for more, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace.